Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use GoHighLevel to cold call prospects. This feature is incredibly useful for agencies looking to streamline their outreach by finding, qualifying, and calling potential clients all within one platform. Let's walk through how to set this up and start making those calls. First, open your web browser and head over to GoHighLevel.com. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to click on the Login or Sign In button on the homepage. Enter your email and password, then click Sign In to access your dashboard. This is your central hub for all things GoHighLevel, so make sure you're logged into the correct account. Once you're in, navigate to your agency account. This is where you'll manage your prospecting activities. On the left navigation menu, you'll see an option labeled Prospecting. Click on it, and you'll be directed to the prospecting page where all the magic happens. From the prospecting page, look to the top right part of your screen and click on Add Prospect. This button takes you to a search interface designed specifically for finding businesses you want to cold call. In the search field, type in the type of business you're targeting, for example, roofing companies or dental offices, and then add a location to narrow down your results. Once you've entered your criteria, click Search. You'll now be presented with a list of businesses within the area you selected. Here's where it gets interesting. You can view detailed information about each business, including their exact address, conversion rate, and online presence. GoHighLevel even shows you if they have an active Google Business profile or a WordPress setup, which can help you identify gaps in their online strategy that you could potentially fill with your services. If you find a business that looks promising, click the Add button on the right side of their listing. This will open the business information card where you'll see the business phone number you can use to cold call them directly. This card consolidates all the key details you need to make an informed, targeted pitch. Now that you have a lead, it's time to make the call. Switch to a sub-account that has phone integration enabled. Look at the top right part of your screen in your sub-account window and click on the phone icon. This opens up the dialer interface within GoHighLevel. Enter the business phone number you're trying to cold call. You can work through each business in your searched category by viewing their business cards and dialing their numbers one by one. This integrated approach means you're not juggling multiple tools. Everything you need to prospect, qualify, and call is right here in GoHighLevel. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.